In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a paywall to Squarespace video page. By the end, you'll have a clean, subscriber-only video page with a pricing plan and a paywall message for visitors who haven't paid yet. Start inside your Squarespace dashboard. On the left pane, click Website to open your site tools, then select Pages. This is where all your site navigation and content lives. At the top of the list of pages on the left, press the plus icon to add something new. You can manually create a videos page, or, to save time, choose a videos page template. The template is helpful because it's set up for video content out of the box, which keeps organization straightforward and ensures the next steps connect smoothly. Once the page is added, click on it to open its options. Look for a section called Selling Tools and expand it. Here, select Add a Pricing Plan. This is what will gate access to your videos behind a paywall and let you define exactly what you're selling. Fill in the plan details thoughtfully. Give the plan a clear name so visitors instantly understand what they're getting. Write a short, compelling description that explains the value of your video content. Add a benefits list that highlights what subscribers receive, like exclusive episodes or full-length access. Set your pricing to reflect the offer you're making. Then, check Included Products. Make sure your videos are included in this plan. If you followed the earlier steps and used a videos page template, the videos option should already be there, which keeps everything connected. When you're satisfied with these details, click Create. That saves your plan and links it to your video content. You'll be returned to the video page settings. Now, select Paywall. This section controls what non-paying visitors see. You'll find a preview of the paywall page that appears to anyone without access, and you can edit it. Keep the message clear and friendly, explain what's behind the paywall, and guide viewers to choose the pricing plan you just created. You can adjust the text, layout, and visuals so it matches your brand and sets the right expectations. A concise headline, a short value statement, and a direct call to action usually work best. And that's it. You created a videos page, added a pricing plan through Selling Tools, and customized the paywall experience. Your visitors now see a professional gateway to your premium content, and subscribers get access exactly as intended.